is trampoline trick shots. Here we go, boys. Oh, left. I'm done with you. I'm done. Don't you come back in here. You're ready? Yeah, that's what I thought. I call this the spinny spin kick. Random name, cool, yeah.
I call this the header to Miley.
Call this the insanely hard trick shot. That's also a front flip. Hold on, I'm going to do a warm-up flip.
Oh, I didn't see you there. This is called Flying Miley. This concludes trampoline trick shots.